Hello, most people solve this question like 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Then divide 8 multiply 8 is equal to 64. So 16 divided 64 is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, one addition, one division and one multiplication. So first priority is multiplication and division. And both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay, is equal to 8 plus, now 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1 multiply 8. Here is addition and here is multiplication. First we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve addition. So 8 plus, now 1 multiply 8 is equal to 8. So 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So the correct answer is 16. Okay, please comment your answer.